Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So let's first get into this bit. Are you seeing how beautiful it is? Like, I can't get over myself. It's just so pretty, like really pretty. Enough of me, so let's just head straight into this video. So I'm going to break down the products that you need in your kit to do a full face at home. It's just a guide of what you need, so you can either get the products that I have here, or you can go high end. If you got the money, darling, you can go high end, or you can go drugstore, or better still, you can head over to Dubois, to Gazaland, and get yourself the makeup. We are not breaking banks to do makeup. We are going to be within our means. So let's just go to the products. The first product I'm going to talk about is primer. You need a primer in your kit so that your makeup has a smooth layer to sit on. The next thing is foundation. And for me here, I have two. I mix two to get my exact undertone and shade. So a tip, if you can't find your foundation shade in the brand that you like, get two shades that are closer to your shade and mix them. You'll get your perfect shade. Okay, so the next thing, of course, is a concealer. You need a concealer, or better still, you can use a lighter foundation to highlight your face. Multi-purpose makeup. Okay, so another thing you're going to need is powder. I advise you get a palette because it has more in one. You get all your shades, the contour, the highlight, and your shade all in one palette. You also need a translucent powder for those days when you don't want color on your face, because this one adds color, but this one doesn't. It sets your makeup but doesn't add color to your makeup. The next thing you're going to need is a fixing spray. That is a makeup fixing spray. What it does, it takes the powdery look off of your makeup and it makes your makeup look skin-like and beautiful. Trust me, it makes your makeup look beautiful. Another thing you're going to need eye product, like eyebrow products. Here I have a pencil, but there are pomades, there are gels, there are powders, but this works for me. Look at that eyebrow. Like, look at that eyebrow. It's beautiful, right? So yeah, I use this. The other thing you're going to need for your eyes is a mascara. So when you're doing makeup, foundation, powders go on your lashes, so you need a mascara to bring back the shade of your lashes. So you need a mascara. You need an eyeliner. This is black, so if you're over deeper skin tone, you need to get yourself a black eyeliner. But if you have a lighter complexion, you can get yourself a brown liner. It also does wonders. It works perfectly. So you just need a liner in your kit. The next thing you need is a blush. For the blush, you can use a liquid blush, a powder blush, as this that I have, or you can use a lipstick. Before I go to the last product, I've not talked about eyeshadow, right? I got you. For the look that you're seeing right here, I use this powder palette and the highlighter to achieve it. So trust me, you can do without an eyeshadow palette, but if you want to, you can go out and buy, darling. So another thing is the highlight. You see how I'm blinding you? You see that? You see my nose shining? I use this highlighter palettes. So yeah, you need a highlighter to just blind people. Blind them with your beauty, darling. Blind. Last but definitely not least, is lipstick. So depending on your preference, you can either go for the matte lipsticks or you can go for the glosses. So depending on what you want, lipstick. So from these products that I've shown you, you can do a whole face beat at home. This makeup look, I actually achieved it using only these products that I've showed you. The only thing that I've not showed you are the lashes, because most people are not extra. I hope I've helped someone out there. So if you've liked this video, please consider subscribing, sharing, liking, and all the good stuff. Like all the good stuff. Why not? So there I have it, my dear. I can't wait to see you in my next one. Mwah, 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 mwah.